Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. And also get your free stock from down below. So get ready for 2023, guys. We is now here. The market will be opening up on tomorrow. So as you know, guys, it's a lot that's about to go down in 2023. Meaning there's going to be a lot of businesses that don't survive. There's going to be a lot of businesses that don't have the capital and cash flow to hold them afloat to get through the ruckus of people not spending money with them how they were before. Things will eventually change, though. Get ready for the articles, the news. They're going to continue to try to frighten you in 2023, saying that the economy is not going to grow, businesses is looking terrible, this, that, and the third. But if the economy is doing bad and it's never going to come back, your money is going to be useless anyway, because you're not going to have a business to even spend the money at, because Nike going to be gone. Walmart going to be gone. These companies, if it's really that bad and they're going to go down to zero and not come back, the companies, the doors is going to have to close. They're not going to have the money to operate the business. So your money is going to become useless anyway. So why not put it in the market? Because not saying, oh, be careful, don't put all your money in the market, but what's the fear of putting even a percentage of your money in the market? Because even if the market don't come back or it decides if it's really that bad, your money going to be useless anyway. Because Verizon, your phone company ain't going to be here. Walmart, your shopping centers ain't going to be here. Nike for your clothes ain't going to be here. Whatever you think of, if it's that bad, like they say it is, it's not going to be here. So your money is going to be useless anyway. Hope that makes sense, because it makes a whole lot of sense to me. So that's why fear isn't even in my vocabulary with nothing. So because at the end of the day, we all know what the exit is. So just go hard. Just do you. It's like, I don't know. That's just my perspective on it. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look at it. You ready? I'm coming. Go ahead. Okay, sit down right there. Wait on me. Okay, so as you guys can see, like before we get into the video, we made a crazy returns on Friday and Thursday of last week, and that's another thing I want to bring to you guys' attention. My thoughts be all over the place, but Elon Musk, the first guy to lose, the first person in America, in the world, I believe, I know America for sure, to lose $200 billion, guys. At one time, not even just at one time, but as collectively, it could have took a year, 10 years. He the first to lose 200 billion. So that lets you know, even the smartest people in the world have lost money because the market just was in that state. We went into a pivot point that what we haven't seen in 14, 15 years since 2008. Of course, people's wealth is going to come down 30, 40, or maybe even lose half of their wealth, or a little over half to 70%. But whenever the things turn around, I guarantee you those same people, like I always got a scale. In order to get $1,000, you got to lose $100. In order to get 10K, you got to lose a 1K. In order to get 100K, you got to lose 10K. And that, and to get the 100K, it could be between, you could lose 10, 20, 50K to get that 100. But that's just minimum. You usually going to use 10% or whatever the next level you're trying to get to. In order to get $1 million, you're going to mess around and possibly lose 100 bands in order to reach. And now, not saying, oh, just because I got $1 million, I'm gonna lose 100 bands. Now, if you get $1 million and that's all you want to accumulate through life, you good. You reach your stop point. Then yeah, you might not lose no 100K because you ain't risking nothing to try and go to that next level. Once you want to get $10 million and you already sitting on $5, $6, $7 million, you might run the risk of losing a whole M to get to 10 in order to get to 100 million. Now you're sitting on 30 million, 40 million, 50 million, 60 million, 70 million. You might lose a whole 10 million to get to 100 million. Once you get to billions of dollars, Elon Musk now have 200, 300, 400 billion dollars. He's going to be the first world's trillionaire. Him or LVMH owner, or Nardo. I can't remember his name correctly, but him, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, one of them going to be the first world's trillionaire, right? In order to get there, if they quit now and be comfortable where they at, they won't be losing no billions of dollars at a time. But obviously, they still hungry. They trying to be a trillionaire now, right? So now they run the risk of losing. If you got 200 billion, 300 billion, you run the risk of losing that 10%, 30 billion, 40 billion, 50 billion. But Elon Musk's case, he'll lose a whole 200 billion because he trying to bump that. He trying to be the trillionaire. He was trying. I hate that it happened, and it's still gonna get that back times 10, times 100. But anyways, he's trying to do that fast. He ain't trying to be the next trillionaire in the next 10 years. He's on his track to being the next trillionaire this year. 2023, 2024. So make it make sense, guys. You got to give back something in order to get to that next level. Now, if you comfortable with where you at, don't worry. You ain't going to lose nothing. You ain't going to lose nothing. But I hate people that think they ain't going to lose not $1 and trying to get $10. How in the hell you supposed to do that? You think your life just go up and up and up and up and up and up and up? If it does do that, I swear to God, whenever it does go down, you're gonna make a so big of a fall, you're gonna be wishing you would have just, went up and up like that. I make, steady grinding. You don't just want to never take your life like this, pew, straight up. Because whenever you go down, which nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. Just like, that's why I love the market. It translates to life real good. The stock market never just pew, and whenever it do that, guess what happened? It drops fast as hell. And whenever it go up slowly grind, you get what I'm saying? It never like drop that fast either. When it drop, it just drop a little bit. And whenever something drop fast, like pew, guess what happened? It don't never just continue to drop like that. I mean, sometimes the company bad and it go down to zero and it never come back. But 9 times out of 10, usually a bounce. And when it drops so hard like that, it'll pew, bounce back up. But anyway, just to throw, little analogy in there to get you guys to understand, throwing just nuggets in the videos. But anyways, on Friday, as you guys can see on the radar, we had ticker symbol PALI was at $4.50. Told people, hey, I'm looking at it. I'm about to get in. It dipped. And then banger, easy money. I told everybody the exit was $6. That was the first exit at $6. I knew it could easily go to $7, $8. But I like to keep people safe. We getting in and getting out to the profit. So VIP going crazy, 60% gains in 40 minutes. That's insane. The day before that, we made over 100% in a short period of time. I also called the exit target. As you can see in the comments, I was like, first exit, $6. I ain't just say, hey, look at this stock and get out wherever you get out. Nah, look at this stock at $4.50 and the first exit price will be $6. So that's how we did that. And you see, wow, it ended up going to $7 plus on Friday. But anyways, going into next week, guys, for the overall market, like I said in the Instagram video, a lot of people see Apple, Nike. They see a Nike's on sale for 20% off. They'll be quick to buy them Nike shoes. But as soon as they see Nike stock down over 40, 50%, they won't be so quick to buy that stock, right? So a lot of people ask me, what's some good stocks going into 2023 or whatnot? As I've been looking at the articles on the media, top analyst stocks going to 2023, it'd be BS. I'd be like, why would they even tell people? Like, these stocks ain't going to do nothing. One out of the stocks that these analysts be picking will possibly do something, but the majority of them are going to be stagnant. I ain't saying they possibly not bad companies, but they going to be stagnant. Ain't nobody going to make no money in them stocks. But anyways, and the stocks that I'm about to call out ain't really juggernauts to really make you crazy money, because that's why we come to the market every day, and the opportunities present itself where we can make what I just showed you, 65% in a day, or we can make 100% in a day. Those opportunities come. But as far as just having that second portfolio, like I told you guys, you should have a portfolio for where you get in the field of day trading. You getting in and out with very small amount of capital and learning the process, and over time you can scale up. Also having an account where you know for a fact you're not going to touch it, like a retirement account where you buying quality companies like Apple and etc. for a cheap price and holding it for a long period of time, right? So those companies I called out on Instagram was Apple. You definitely want to have that on your radar, guys. It's a good buy-in at a price. I'm pretty sure you're watching this on the Apple phone right now. And like I say, that's a strategy you want to implement going into 2023. Everything that you spend your money on, Walmart. If you shop at Walmart, you need to have Walmart stock. If you got Verizon as a carrier, you need to have Verizon stock. They paying you in dividends. Now the dividend is paying for your phone bill. So the phone bill is kind of free. And if you're shopping at Walmart, in the back end, you kind of, some of your groceries kind of free, not free, but as you invest in it and you spending your money there, it just feels, it's a whole wholesome sense. Just like, dang, okay, I feel extra good about spending my money here because I'm investing in the company. So my money going into here, helping the stock, help me, it all makes sense. So anyways, Apple, Tesla, definitely want to get Tesla down over 65% in a year, guys. Great investment. I told you guys exactly what will come down to. It still have the potential to come down to $94. And like I was saying to start this whole video, what I believe is about to happen is a major pump. Crypto is about to pump. The stock market is about to pump. Regardless if things is looking shaky, it's just what's going to happen because of price action. And then after the pump, it's going to come right back down. They're going to scare you one more big time in 2023. Hopefully they do it early on, and then 2023 is going to be amazing. going toward after like around March, April, I believe it's going to get crazy. And it may happen before that if it could go ahead and, you know, it all depends on the timing. We'll see how this year plays out at the beginning once we get started. But anyways, the next banger on the list will be Snapchat, down over 81%. Some may say, well, Snap, I believe it ain't going to be around too long. Me neither. My personal opinion, the next 10 years, 15 years, I think Snap will possibly get faded out by all these newer platforms that's coming about, and just, you know, I feel like it'll get mixed it'll get lost in the sauce in some way or fashion. But as far as investing in it now, in the meantime, the next 1, 2, 3 years, I believe it's worth more than $8 on a share. It could easily get back to $20, maybe $25, whatever the case may be. But I do believe it's a nice time to be buying now, and not saying buy it and hold it forever. You get what I'm saying? Make your money off that play and continue to move on. And I may be wrong on that. You may want to hold it forever. All in your opinion. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you guys. The next banger on the list will be Amazon, guys. You definitely want to get Amazon. Amazon is not done making moves. They down over 50% on the year. And we already know Amazon was going crazy in the pandemic. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP, man. I love y'all. We out. And God bless y'all. Get ready for an awesome year. What you want to do is, I want to leave you guys with this. I want you to come with a clean slate, fresh mind. Make sure you're learning. Make sure you're being smart. Make sure you're being meticulous. Make sure you're aiming small. Make sure you're missing small. Make sure you got a strategy for every play that you buy. You identifying it. Oh, I'm buying this because it's a dip buy. I'm buying this because it's an earnings winner. I'm buying this because it's a breakout. And I'm not just buying because, oh, I see a shiny stock. Shiny gold stock. Look like it's going to make me some money. Let's buy. No, I'm buying with strategy behind it. So you already know, guys. It's more I would like to say, but I ain't want to hold you guys too long. You already know what to do, man. Add me on Instagram. Follow your boy. Do whatever you got to do. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.